The International Alliance for the Prevention of AIDS, HIV Prevention Education Program Module 2, The Science of HIV. Let's begin by defining HIV. It's the human immunodeficiency virus. That means it's a virus or pathogen that specifically targets humans and only humans. It affects the immune system, weakening it. The immune system defends against outside infections, keeps the body healthy and strong. We can imagine it as a barrier that protects the body. Most infections that attack the body are beaten back by a strong and healthy immune system. But HIV is different. It attacks the immune system directly, weakening and destroying it. Then, opportunistic infections are able to take advantage of that weakened immune system to make a person sick. So, does HIV make a person sick? Not really. HIV only weakens the immune system, and it's only when exposed to an opportunistic infection that somebody living with HIV actually becomes noticeably sick. Remember, HIV is invisible. Throughout most stages of infection, there are no telltale signs of infection. The only way to know is to get tested. So let's take a closer look at the immune system. You can think of the immune system as our body's army. It protects us from any invaders that attack. The immune system is actually made up of billions of cells, and each one of these cells is a soldier in this army. One extremely important cell is the CD4 cell. It acts as a general in the army, helping the body to coordinate its defenses. HIV targets these cells specifically, infecting them, hiding inside them, and hijacking the cell's own functions to replicate itself until the cell bursts, flooding the body with more HIV. When it uses the CD4 cells to copy itself, it doesn't do a very good job. It can make millions of copies in a very short time, but it often makes mistakes. The copies are imperfect, resulting in mutations. This creates new strains that, if allowed to replicate, can make it extremely difficult to treat the infection. Some strains have been discovered that are completely resistant to available medications. So let's recap. What role does the immune system play? Why are CD4 cells important? How does HIV destroy CD4 cells? What is an opportunistic infection? What are the visible signs of an HIV infection? We have now completed Module 2, The Science of HIV. We're ready to move on to Module 3, HIV Transmission.